Have you ever wondered how the human eye, a mere 2.5 centimeters in diameter, can capture and process the world around us with such vivid detail and color? This fascinating organ is a marvel of biological engineering, composed of numerous parts, each with a unique function. The eye, at its most basic, is a sphere filled with fluid and lined with light-sensitive cells. The outermost layer, or the sclera, is a tough protective shell that gives the eye its white color. It's like the walls of a house, shielding the delicate interior from damage. The sclera is continuous with the cornea, a transparent dome at the front of the eye that refracts or bends light onto the lens. Think of the cornea as a window into the house, allowing light to enter, while also providing some level of protection. Just behind the cornea, you find the iris, the colored part of our eyes. The iris is akin to a window blind, adjusting the size of the pupil to control the amount of light that enters the eye. When it's bright, the iris constricts the pupil to prevent too much light from entering. In dim conditions, the iris dilates the pupil to let in more light. The lens, a clear, flexible structure located just behind the iris, further refocuses the light. It's like a camera lens adjusting its shape to focus light onto the retina. The ciliary muscles control the shape of the lens, allowing us to switch focus between near and far objects. At the back of the eye, you find the retina, a thin layer of light-sensitive cells that capture the refracted light and convert it into electrical signals. The retina is like the film in an old-fashioned camera, capturing light and turning it into a picture. The optic nerve then carries these signals to the brain, which interprets them as the images we see. It's the messenger, carrying information from the eye to the brain. Now, to summarize, the human eye is a complex organ, composed of many parts each with a specific function. The outer layer, the sclera, protects the eye, while the cornea and lens work together to refract light onto the retina. The iris controls the amount of light entering the eye, and the retina converts this light into electrical signals. These signals are then carried to the brain by the optic nerve, where they are interpreted as images. So next time you marvel at a beautiful sunset, or lose yourself in the pages of a book, remember the extraordinary complexity and precision of the human eye that makes it all possible. It's not just a window to the soul, but a finely tuned instrument that allows us to perceive and interpret the world around us.